Do you want to save hours every single day? Let's talk about how ChatGPT can take on your daily tasks and finish them in seconds. Think about it. The endless emails, the long reports, just trying to plan your week. It gets overwhelming fast. But that's exactly where AI can step in and help. First step, let ChatGPT handle your email drafting. You just need to tell it what you want to say, the basic idea, and it will write a clear, polished response in a matter of seconds. No more staring at a blank screen. Second, you can use it to summarize long reports or articles instantly. Instead of wasting time reading through pages and pages of text, ChatGPT pulls out the key points for you. You get the gist without the grind. And third, let it organize your week. Give ChatGPT your list of priorities, and it will arrange your schedule for you. This frees you up to focus on what actually matters most instead of just planning to do it. Now for a pro tip. The clearer your instructions are, the better your results will be. For example, instead of just saying, write an email, try something specific like, write a polite email to my manager requesting a one-day extension on the project deadline. So try these AI hacks today and start boosting your productivity right away. It can make a huge difference. And if you want more tips and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe.